Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be treating advanced task on project 002 shell under redirection. So we'll be working on the advanced part of 24. That's the task A. A GIF is worth 10,000 words, and the task is to write a script that lists all the lines in the GIF file extension in the current directory and all its subdirectories. Now, hidden files should be listed. Only regular files, no directory, should be listed, so we don't need directory. The names of the files should be displayed without their extension. The files should be sorted by byte value, that's by their size, but case sensitive. So file AAA should be listed before file, that is, should be sorted as well. Then we have file .b should be listed before A, and file owner should be listed after file J. Wow, this is tough. One file name per line, and the listing should end with a new line. You are also not allowed to use space, line grep, E grep, F grep, or R grep. So you write your answer into 101 GIFs. This is tough, my brothers and sisters. This is tough. So, but no matter how tough it is, there will always be a solution to every problem. So let's look into it. So I'm using VI. Our file name that we have to write 101 dash GIFs. So I use my eye to make it editable. So what I'm going to be doing now is that according to what it says, I'm going to be finding GIF files. So but before that, let me put the compulsory ones here in slash, then we enter. So now we are looking for a GIF. So we use our find and space the type of file we're looking for. Then by name, that's space F, then space dash name, then space, because we're looking for our GIF file, so you have to specify it. The one we are looking for with this command, quotation star dot if give close of quotation, then the space, the vertical space, rev, um, rev, let me see, okay, rev, okay, space, the vertical space, okay, yeah, cut space minus D in space. So here we use our quotation and slash quotation and space. Okay, so minus F is 1, and space our vertical line. This is really much. Um, okay, space cut and space minus D. Let me see. Okay, then space apostrophe dots apostrophe, then space minus F space 2, I hope I'm right. Space two. Um, okay. Dash. Space. Okay. Vertical line space rev space vertical then space uppercase L and uppercase C then underscore uppercase all equal to uppercase C because sorry space sort space dash F I guess this is it. Let me see. Um, space extension identify should okay. 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 I I think we are good. I'm good. So SK colon WQ enter. So before let me just do the right thing. Let me make it an executable file ch mod q plus x then 101.gif. So let me list to see 101.gif. So that is executable. So let me check what I've written into it as well. So I'll use my cat 101.gif. So this is what I've written inside that file. So let me commit and let's see if our code is right. Else we have to see where the error is coming from. So git add git commit dash and our commit message now will now be GAF give it more words. What more than 10,000 words? So um, I can git push and see the great work we've done if it's correct or not. Okay, let me check my code. All right, so it's going. Oh, wow, wow. I think I deserve an applause. Thank you for watching. I believe you learned one or two things. I believe you're able to sort out your coding. You're able to sort out your class. Thank you and see you in my latest videos.